Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about magnetic forces. Can anyone tell me what a magnetic force is?
A magnetic force is a force that occurs between two magnets or a magnet and another magnetic material.
Yes, that's right. We will be focusing on the magnetic force between two magnets today.
Teacher, why do some magnets have two different colors?
That's because these colors represent the two poles a magnet has. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. Even a magnet without different colors have two poles. What do you think will happen when the poles of two magnets are brought close to each other?
I know. They will move towards each other.
Is that always the case? Well,
Let's find out.
for this experiment, you will need two bar magnets. Can you think of all the ways you can arrange these bar magnets?
The north or south poles of the two magnets can face each other.
And the north pole of one of the magnets can face the south pole of the other magnet.
Yes, that's right. For our experiment, let's start off with the two magnets with both their north poles facing each other. Arrange and position the bar magnets like this and bring them close to each other. Watch what happens when they come closer. What happened? Write down your observations.
One of the magnets moved away from the other.
Yes! This is the same for if the south poles of the two magnets move towards each other. In general, like poles move away from each other.
What about unlike poles?
Let's see. What do you see this time?
One magnet moved to the other magnet.
Yes! In general, unlike poles move towards each other. So class, what did we learn today?
Like poles move away from each other.
Unlike poles move towards each other.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.